In this video, we'll show you how to edit imported images and switch between different engraving effects to achieve your desired results. Before diving into image editing, let's first understand the two common image types, bitmap and vector. Bitmap images, also known as raster images, are composed of thousands of individual pixels, each representing a specific color. Common formats include JPG, PNG, and BMP. LDS for PC supports JPEG, PNG, and BMP. LDS for mobile supports JPEG and PNG only. Vector images are based on geometric shapes like lines, curves, circles, and rectangles. These are defined by mathematical formulas, coordinates, angles, etc., allowing them to scale infinitely without losing quality. Common formats include SVG, AI, and EPS. LDS supports SVG imports on both PC and mobile platforms. On the right side of the interface, you'll find the normal layer and the engraving layer panel. In the normal layer, you can lock or hide individual layers. The engraving layer shows which engraving mode is applied to each layer, which directly affects the engraving output. Fill engraving is used when you want the inside of a shape or graphic to be completely engraved. This mode produces a solid, uniform, engraved surface, perfect for logos, text, or any design requiring a recessed look with consistent depth. Dithering engraving is ideal for photos or images with rich grayscale details. By adjusting the density of laser points, LDS simulates gradient transitions from black to white, giving your engraving photo-like detail and stunning realism. Line engraving outlines the shape without filling it. This mode is perfect for sketch-style designs, text outlines, circuit boards, illustrations, or projects where edges and structure are emphasized. Line cutting transforms your LaserPecker machine into a cutting tool. By adjusting laser power and speed, it can cut through materials completely, separating shapes from the base material. Use this mode for models, puzzles, custom crafts, or perforated designs. Bitmaps can be engraved using black and white mode, line mode, dithering mode. When you import a bitmap, LDS automatically applies dithering mode, which preserves gradients and is ideal for materials like acrylic, leather, and metal. If you need a simpler effect, switch to pencil mode or black and white mode. For stamp making, you can choose the stamp mode. For deeper engraving, use 2D deep engraving mode. Bitmaps can also be converted to lines using outline or trace image, allowing you to switch to line engraving mode. To simplify layers, you can rasterize the image and merge it into a single layer. Vector images support black and white mode, line mode. You can toggle the engraving effect by clicking the Fill option in the toolbar. Vectors may consist of multiple grouped layers. LDS allows you to ungroup or merge them to streamline your workflow. When working with multiple vector layers, you can also use align and combine tools for better control. Additionally, you can rasterize vector graphics, converting them into bitmaps when needed. In the next episode, we'll guide you through how to expand your LP machine capability by using the accessories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.